difference. A little kid listening to my dad and the manipulation and the pressure. I got tricked into becoming a martial artist and fighting. It was like my brother passed away right at the time, and right before he passed away, he's like, go do jiu-jitsu, and like pushing me, and then he passed away. So I'm like, fuck, I have the pressure now, not only on my brother, but on my father. I'm the only son. So I just went full force, manipulated, and I just went heads in, and I liked it, and I did it, and I enjoyed it. But then I got to a point where I realized I was killing myself trying to live up to my father's expectations. To fight guys who are not trying to fight, it makes no sense for me. I'd rather fight MMA, have the same training camp, just as hard, and make way more money than fight in something that isn't gonna give me any money. I'm gonna work my ass off, and then I'm gonna get there and the guy's gonna hold my sleeve for 10 minutes.
We are all one. We all need to learn how to love each other first, and then we can love everybody else. We need to stop dividing everything. Dividing people, dividing race, dividing religion, dividing everything. This is ridiculous. And it starts with yourself and the decisions and the way you judge people. So, thank you.
I actually wanted somebody better, and then they gave me this fight at the last minute.
You know, we're in an era of you got to learn what everyone knows. You got to be a student of the game. You got to travel. That's what a real samurai does. So my advice to him is travel. Go be humble. Go out and get as good as possible. Train with everybody. You know, you stick at one gym, you're not going to grow.